Hi, this is Jim at your Jiffy Customer Support Network. In this segment we're going to show you the proper procedure for changing the Jiffy Ripper Blades on the standard Jiffy drill assembly as well as the Jiffy XT drill assembly. And always remember, you can find replacement blades at your local authorized Jiffy service dealer and also any of your local sporting goods stores. The proper procedure for changing the Jiffy Ripper Blade on the Jiffy standard drill assembly as well as the XT drill assembly. The first thing you want to wind up doing is noting that even though the blades may seem dull when drilling, they're still probably sharp enough that they can possibly cut you, so always use caution when handling the blades. Jiffy replacement blades can be found at your local authorized Jiffy service center or at your local sporting goods store. We're going to be utilizing a 7/16 ratchet and a 7/16 wrench to first of all remove the blades. And there's lock nuts that hold the mounting hex nuts. We're going to go ahead and loosen that up. Once we get those loosened, we'll go ahead and finish turning those off. Set those aside. We'll be using those again to remount them. We'll go ahead and remove the mounting hex bolts and then go ahead and remove the blade from the head. To go ahead and mount the new blade, we're going to go ahead and slide the mounting bracket of the blade below the faceplate and go ahead and press the hex bolts through. And we'll go ahead and remount the hex nuts on the mounting bolts. We'll kind of tighten those loosely, and we'll go ahead and tighten those up. Tighten those up nice and snug. You want those nice and tight. And that basically concludes the proper procedure for changing the Jiffy Ripper Blade on the standard and XT drill assembly. If anyone has any questions or concerns regarding this procedure, please feel free to contact us at the two locations noted on your screen. I'd like to take this time to thank you for your continued support of Jiffy products as well as the purchase of your Jiffy ice drill. Thanks and have a great day.